What the heck, guys?
Ariel, get out here for a minute. Oh my God, really? No, Ariel.
Free showers!
Wait a minute. I see what I'm going to do.
You gonna do it?
Here, hold my cigar. Hold my cigar. Ready?
Yeah, you really gonna do it?
No, nothing on you?
Do it.
Do it.
Here, hold my
Are you
lighter.
recording this?
Do it.
Do it. Take it off.
Come here, Ian. Come here, Ian.
No.
I want to see
Give me a cigar.
Wait, Ian. Ian, let's go. We're gonna run through together.
I'm not doing it.
He doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to do it. Don't force him. Don't force him.
Come on, Ian. What? We're gonna do this
Not
together.
now, but...
Okay, you put a.
No, they're not.
Let's go.
I am cold. Put that fire on me.
It feels really good.
What?
Put my hand on it. Ready?
Weapon.
Hey, Dad, give me my shirt.
Where is it?
I want my
I
head on it.
thought you had it.
I think I have it somewhere in here. Hold on.
It's really, really cold. You have to run your whole body.
I think it's this one.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.